There was a man who came to Hassan al Basri rahimahullah and asked him, please pray for me. I am in a desperate situation. Can you relate with this? Have you ever been in this situation? When you asked other people, you begged them, please remember me in your prayers. I am desperate. Whatever the reason for that desperation may be, it could be illness, it could be some financial difficulty, it could be something that's happening in our family, it could be inner turmoil or anxiety or something inside of us that we ourselves cannot figure out. So the man asked Hassan al Basri rahimahullah, please pray for me, and Hassan al Basri said, you are in the best position to pray for yourself, because Allah said in the Quran, amman yuzibul Mudtarr idha dayyah. You are Mudtarr, you are the desperate one, you are the man who is afflicted with hardship, so that Allah respond the person who is desperate when he call upon to Allah. Subhanallah. So that you are in the best position for pray for yourself. Subhanallah bihamdihi, subhanallahil azim.